problem was I was having arm and hand issues for a few years. I knew Dr. Seth was the best in town and known nationwide. I believe that if Dr. Seth was not able to figure out what was wrong with my arm, I think my competitive tennis career and tennis in general probably would have been over. I'm so glad I got it done. I'm so glad I don't have any pain. So when I saw Dr. Seth, he said really the best way to find out is if he goes in and checks it with his eyes by himself. And I remember Dr. Seth saying that he likes to see what he's operating on with his hands and his eyes. And when he went in, that's kind of when he found out that my arm was a little worse than expected. He did a bone spur and then a nerve release on my arm. And when he went in for the nerve release, he saw that there was some dying muscle. I was really comfortable with Dr. Seth just because I think he was honest and open about it. He never said, he's never like, oh, you're not gonna be able to play again. We're gonna try and get you to play again. We're gonna do the best that we can no matter what. And I felt very confident with him, and I probably know about 4 or 5 people who Dr. Seth has worked on who said nothing but amazing things about him. So I knew I was in good hands. Dr. Seth would continuously check in on me to make sure I was doing all right at home when the nurses were coming in 3 times a week. But he always made sure that I was doing okay, and no matter what, if I had any questions, I could call the office and he'd be there to answer them. Dr. Seth, you completely changed my life. Not only did you revive my arm, but you kind of changed my outlook on sports and life in terms of just enjoy every little moment. You changed my life, and in 30 minutes I did not know that would happen, but I wouldn't have anybody else do that and check up on me and make sure that everything's okay. He didn't look at me as just a patient, but a human, and I really value that. I hope you know that.